Alright, this is the week 10 homework. So lines 1 through 4. Backtrader, so this is an engine that can run the strategy and it handles the trading logic. Y Finance, it downloads historical price data from Yahoo Finance. Pandas, so this is for manipulating the price data before we feed it into the backtrader. And Matplots. This is uh, just for custom visualizations of our strategy. So starting at line 7. So here we're making our RSI MA crossover. So line 8 params. So the purpose of this, it's a dictionary, so it lets us tweak values without having to rewrite the code. And this is a simple moving average, the short or simple moving average short. So this is a 20 period simple moving average. This is the 50 period simple moving averages, and then RSI buy and sell. So this is the RSI threshold for being able to for the buy and sell signals that we'll have. Lines 16 through 19, we're setting up our technical indicators. So right here. So the self data here, self data. So the purpose of this is that it's referring to the closing price series, and then self P SMA. This will access the simple moving average short parameter. Then going down 21 to 24. 21 we're saying if you're not in a trade and RSI is below 50. If you're not in trade and RSI is below 50, and SMA 20 is above SMA 50, then we will buy. Uh, but if not, so the LF, so this is for selling. So if we already are in a trade and RSI is above 50 and SMA 20 is below SMA 50, then we will sell. So our second step is the analyzer. So line 32 here. So this is that we're tracking trades with our analyzer. And 34, the trades. This is a tool that remembers each trade that we go through. I know it will log an entry date, the exit date, and the portfolio loss. Entry date, exit date, portfolio loss, or portfolio, or profit or loss, or profit or loss. And all the trades are stored in uh, the self trade. So 38 here. So this entry date, it will convert the trades um, upon time to a normal date, and the P&L, this will get the profit or the loss from the trade. Mine's 48. So line 48. So the def get Y Finance, this will download stock data for a tracker in the data range, or for the ticker in the data range. 50. 50 distance. This is used for if the columns are nested tuples, and if so, it will flatten them out. 53. ADFM. The open, high, low, close volume. So these will keep only the columns needed for the backtrader. Uh, the return of the clean data frame. 56. So we start our back test and we're gonna start our plotting. So 57 we're running the back test. 58 through 60. Here we're setting the stock and we want to have the date ranges. 64. The Cerebro so this is creating the backtrader engine, and the line after that 65. We're adding our RSMI strategy to it. And then 67, here we're just wrapping up, we'll wrap up our data into a format that the back trader will be able to understand. Going down to 78, the Cerebro broker. We're setting our starting capital at $10,000. And then this Cerebro will add sizes in the trading size for the 10 trades or 10 shares per trade. And then lines, and then here we'll be just printing out, when we run it, we'll get the starting portfolio value and then our final portfolio value. On lines 86 through 92, so we're printing out our trade summary. We will get our total trades, the total profit, our wins or losses, win rate, average P&L, and amount of trades we get. 94, this will print on another user interface, so this will print out our strategy performance, our total trades, or not. This when we run, this will be what it'll print out. Lines 101 to 102. So we're adding our moving averages to our data frame for the plotting. And then lines 105 to 107. Here we're just matching each trade to its price on the chart. So that's the purpose of this. In lines 10 and 11, we separate the points into the X and Y values. So buy points are sell points will be separated into our X and Y values on the graph. And here we're just, this is our price chart with the simple moving averages and trades. With the labels, here we're just plotting our labels, our scatter plot, our title, our legend, and the lines for it. We're able to draw the price chart and be able to add the indicators to it. 118 or 118, 119. So this will draw arrows where it'll point out to where I'll buy and sell. And then 125, here we'll draw our RSI chart and we'll manually be able to calculate RSI for the charting. And then line 40, and here we'll plot our figures, RSI labels, the lines for the RSI that are about 70 over sold 30. And we'll add the grid, the title, and this will run it. And right here on 140, so the if name, this will run everything in our scripts. Let's see. So here we get to be able to see our price charts with our buy and sell signals of the of Tesla stock. So this solid blue line is the closing price after each day and each period. Uh, the orange slash line is the simple moving average for 20-day period, and our simple moving average day for the 50 is the and next here we were able to see our Tesla RSI figure. So we get to see the RSI with the purple line, the overbought, the points of the overbought line, which is at 70, and the oversold at 30. We're going to be able to see the points. What we should do. And then on our terminal, we get to see our trades that we get with our starting portfolio value of 10,000 as earlier. We get to see our buy points and our sell points for 10 different trades, and the portfolio value, the final portfolio value. So we lose money. So we see we have for our strategy performance, we'll have a total of 5 trades, we'll lose $2,329.40. Um, we'll have a win rate of 20%, and our average P&L, our profit and loss per trade, is negative $465. Thank you.